welcome to our course. My name is Emma, the professional Chinese teacher. Today we're going to talk about ball games. And this series is divided into two, and today we're going to talk about ball game 1. And we're going to introduce some Chinese name of the ball games. It will be very interesting and useful, especially if you're studying or traveling, living in China. Anyway, if you're interested in our course, please subscribe our channel, go through our website. If you have any suggestions, just comment below. And let's start our course today. So first of all, let's look at these two new characters. 球类. It's not the direct translation of ball games. It means ball game genre, ball game kind. So we're going to learn a lot of ball games today. 球类. And the most important expression phrases here is this 球, which means ball. We have learned it before, but it's very important. 球类. Very good. And so the first one we're going to learn is volleyball. 排球. 排球. Both of these two characters in second tone. 排球. Very good. And water polo. 水球. Very good. 水球. And ice hockey. 冰球. 冰球. Again, 冰球. In Chinese, it means ice hockey, but it is 冰 ice 球 ball, so we call it ice ball. Anyway, and then tennis, 网球. 网球. Again, 网球. Very good. American football, we call it 橄榄球. 橄榄球. So 橄榄 means olive in Chinese. So it's because the American football's shape look like olive. So we call it 橄榄球. Read out for me again. 橄榄球. Very good. Handball, 手球. 手球. Very good. Again, 手球. Next one, field hockey, 曲棍球. 曲 means twist, and 棍 means stick. 球 means ball, so this is a twist, stick, and a ball. 曲棍球. Ping-Pong, 乒乓球. 乒乓球. We call it this because of the sounds of it. And baseball, 棒球. 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 Very good. And here golf, 高尔夫球. Just directly translate from the sounds of it and add a ball here. 高尔夫球. 高尔夫球. Very good. And then basketball, 篮球. 篮 is a short form of basket. 篮子. Basket. And here we call it 篮球. Very good. And badminton, 羽毛球. 羽毛 means feathers. So this is feathers ball. 羽毛球. Very good. Read after me. 羽毛球. Good. And then soccer, 足球. 足 means foot. 足球. 足球. Good. And then pass, 传球. 传球. 传 second term means pass. Pass the ball. 传球. Shoot, 射门. 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 Header, 投球. 投球. Second term, 投球. Very good. Offside, 越位. First turn, 越位. 越位. Very good. Yellow card, 黄牌. 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 Good. Red card, 红牌. 红牌. Good. 红牌. Front half, 上半场. 上半 场 half time 中场休息中场休息 second half 下半场下半场下半场 good and extra time 加时赛加时赛 read after me 加时赛 very good score 比分比分比分 corner kick corner 角球角球角球 very good so this is of course today we have learned a lot of new characters and new words today. Hope you can do some review and don't forget to check the homework. Anyway, if you enjoy watching this video, please give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't really subscribed, just click this expression and the little bit icon so you can get the notification for the next video. Anyway, see you in next course. Bye!